Oh, I think I've done it with this box. I really think I've done it with this box. I'm so excited for this one. I've washed my hands 10 times. I wiped off my little knife with alcohol 4 times to make sure there are no possible oils, no possible anything that can go on this PEZ dispenser. And as soon as this video's over, oh yeah, this thing's going in a vault. Oh, so excited! Woo! What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. This close, that close to it. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. It's newspaper! You said they didn't make that anymore. All right. We have removed the newspaper and we now have a box. Setting that aside. And, of course, the box was taped because we do not want this PEZ dispenser to come up to life and escape. Oh, please. There it is. Encased in bubble wrap. Tape! No! Not dreaded tape! So just to let everybody know, before this dispenser is shown, this is the most expensive video we have ever made here on the PEZbook. We went to great lengths to obtain this piece of It's taped again! Come on! But this is a great piece of PEZ history. For you see, this piece... Oh, where is it? Okay, there we go. Was never released to the public. This PEZ dispenser is only in very few collections because so very few even exist. This PEZ dispenser that I show you now should not have this stem, for this PEZ dispenser is only a head. It is the soft head Donald Duck PEZ dispenser. Oh, this is so cool. Now, we have shown a soft head Donald Duck PEZ dispenser before, but what makes this one really special is not where it came from, but where it's going. And it's going on a very cool journey. This is the holy grail of the Donald Duck Master Set, the soft head Donald Duck PEZ dispenser. And, as you know, I've been putting together a Donald Duck Master Set to share at the Pig. Make sure you mark your calendars for the first full week in March, starting March 1st, National Pig Day. And you can come out and see this item in person. But until then, I'm going to have to wipe off this stem. Oh, this is so cool. And then hide Donald Duck until the pig. Ha! We did it! It's kind of fun to do.